Hey guys, Model Man Frank here with yet another aircraft I still haven't finished. Actually, I did finish it and I did fly it, but it crashed. When it crashed, it actually crashed in the down position and the motor mount broke off and the cowling snapped off also. I have a cowling around here that I could use on this plane, just haven't been able to pull the trigger on finishing it. I made this little handy dandy little entrance for me to get into it and everything like that. I just need to kind of finish it up because it's all over the place. It's got a new generation servo in it, so it should fly. This is a bank and yank plane, so flying it would be very easy. As you can see, the servo's in here. It's got a receiver. It had a receiver in it. I took the receiver out, used it on another aircraft because I knew I wasn't going to use it right now. So I guess this is another bird that yet needs to be flown also. And I've got to pull the trigger on it soon and get it up in the air. Yeah, I will be flying this plane very soon also. Let's see how it goes and see what the damage could be done. The worst that could happen is that it crashes again, and I'm still trying to figure out why it would be crashing. But if I balance it out correctly, I think I can get it to fly. The balancing point on this one, see, it's still tail heavy, so the nose is really where it is. If I flip it, the way you're supposed to balance out warbirds, especially ones with low wing, is turn them upside down. Find the wing root, and that's where you balance, which is right here. It is balanced out right now because it doesn't have a battery in it. But if I do put a battery in it, I will have to balance it out again. But it looks like it's pretty well balanced here. So I have it right on the wing root itself. Uh, and you can barely see in the camera itself, but the wing root goes right through here. So if I have my fingers right on it, it's perfectly balanced. It should fly. So I just need to pull the trigger and get it flying. And it's a really good monocoque covering, so I just have to pull, which right now I'll pull it off with you guys watching the video. I have one screw on here. If you are watching these videos, I really appreciate it. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button if you like the video. So yeah, this one needs, as you can see, it needs a receiver in it. This one's got all sorts of different cabling in it. So this is the servo. It's got a Y servo cabling for the two servos. It's got a 40 amp ESC on it. So it's got the power. It's just trying to get going on getting the plane up in the air. So that's my other real concern, and that's what's keeping me from flying the plane. So, but yeah, this will be another airplane that this summer, yes, we will get it up in the air and fly it. So just take a little while for us to do its thing and get it all set up to go. So, but that's it for now. I just wanted to give you guys a short update on the Japanese Zero. The Japanese Zero is something, and I will bring it out on the workbench when we do our live thing, so we can do all the setting up and everything like that. And you guys can watch it here as we set it up to get it ready for flight. This summer it is a flyable plane, and yeah, we need to get it up in the air and have some fun. This is a combat aircraft, so we really want to do a real service to it. Maybe if I can get it ready by July 4th, that would be the best thing for it. So I'll get my Japanese Zero. Next video will be and also if I could get my BF-109 flying. The one that I miss the most is the Spitfire. I had the Spitfire. I built it. It was one of my first aircraft when I started this channel. I flew it a couple of times, and it just crashed, and I just could never get it back up and flying perfectly then. I have the wing sitting around somewhere. I just need to build fuselage for it now. So, with that said, guys, catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.